In this video, I am gonna show you how to make star rating animation in Figma. So let's get started. First of all, let's make a frame. Now add a fill. Now choose Ellipse tool and let's make a transparent emoji. First make a circle. Make its opacity 19%. Now make eyes. Select both of them and make them in center. Now change their fill and make their opacity 48%. Now let's add some text. Make them in center. Duplicate them and rename it. Now select all of them. Make it alignment center. Make equal spacing. Enlarge the font. Adjust them. And convert them to frame. And make sure you have marked the tick to clip content. Now let's add some animated emojis by using plugin. Change their name so that you will know about the emoji. Now select all of them, make their alignment horizontal and vertical. Place in front of transparent emoji. Make its size smaller. Make its opacity 0% and group them. Select both group and make a frame. Now let's add a star. Duplicate them. Change their fill. Make its opacity 40%. Group them and make it in center. Now select all of them. And make a component. Duplicate its variant. Now select the second frame transparent emoji. Make its size smaller. And make its opacity 0%. Now select the animated emoji. Make its opacity 100. And enlarge it. Now select the text frame. Select all text. And hold arrow key upward. Duplicate the variant. Again select this animated emoji. Make its size smaller. Make its opacity 0%. Select the bad name emoji. Make its opacity 100%. Enlarge it. Now do the same with other also. Now select the second variant first star. And add gradient. Now let's prototype them. Select the first frame first star. And connect with second frame. Choose on click. Animation will be smart animate. Curve will be gentle. And duration 800 milliseconds. Now select second star and connect with third frame. Now select third star and connect with fourth frame. Now select fourth star and connect with fifth frame. Now select fifth star and connect with sixth frame. Animation will be same for all of us. Now select the second frame first star and choose matching layer. At the top right corner, this fill select all the matching layer of all the frame of first star. Now deselect the transparent first star by holding shift key. Now prototype it and connect with first frame. Now do the same with second, third, fourth and fifth star. All the animation will be same. Now let's see how it looks like. Now let's solve the mistake. Now select the second frame second star. And connect with third frame. Now select the second frame third star and connect with fourth frame. Now let's see how it looks like. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.